Okay, guys, good afternoon. So here we go. These markets, Nasdaq, it just couldn't make it higher here. Let's see. These guys couldn't make it higher. They just stalled here. Okay, made a second attempt. They couldn't. It was in a very nice spot here, very sweet spot here, just to take a long position. Even
Short
the
signal
ES
ES.
just couldn't. It was in a nice position, but
Short signal
didn't work
NQ.
out. And well, we shorted, and here we are. We are with 6 contract, guys. We started shorting from here, then the market reversed and
Short
stopped me
signal
out here.
NQ.
I got
Short signal
a, I
NQ.
got, like you see here, I got two contracts out here, and one was stopped here. Then I entered on the reversal with another 3 contracts. Okay, so let's see if we can catch the profit here. Gonna get to this close here to manage the position.
Short signal ES.
Here we go, more sellers in the tape. You see the number 6 prints in the same second. Okay, so market is in a hurry trying to short. Okay, we already got 2 contracts out. See more sellers in the tape, more sellers pushing. 1, 2, 3.
Short signal
See
ES.
7. We see 11 prints in the same second, 12 prints in the same second. Okay, the market is gonna hit the target. Okay, there you go. We got 3 contracts left.
Short signal ES.
Well, market is in a hurry. 200 contracts. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna exit here. Yeah, we see this guy's trying to reverse the price. Okay, guys, so like I said, why we entered the trade here was I see the big push over here in the NQ. Look at this push down here. If you're watching the price closely, then I entered the limit order at the border of the first ATR. As you can see, we had a big push, like a 6 ticks push. Like I said, when the Nasdaq sneezes, the ES receives a cold. So it followed the, the the movement to the downside. So I said these guys are gonna break the ATR because the tape was really pushing. Okay, so at least we made like about $1,200 here. Was a very good trade. Okay, guys, so thanks for watching. If you're interested in the system, there's a link in the description of this video. You can contact me. I will be happy to send you information, guys. You see, all this software is order flow, guys. You need to learn to read the tape. Well, the system is very intuitive, and it's easy to read. It's easy to understand. Okay, so you don't need to trade all day long. You just wait for the breaks of the ATRs and the continuation of the trend. Okay, you will see the signals plotted on the chart, and you will understand, guys. This indicator here is a order entry tool. Okay, this guy places limit orders above and below price. Okay, so that way you won't be at market, because being at market is very complicated, because you can get into a bar that's gonna be 5 minutes, going up and down, and it's better to place limit orders, as you can, market. If it's gonna break, it's gonna break. Else, you don't do nothing. For example, you might say, what is this triangle red here in the micro ES? This is high frequency trading. Okay, this is activity. When you see 12 prints, 10 prints in the same second, okay, you will see a triangle here. You see a triangle here, 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 here. Lots of selling. Okay, so well, it was in the same with the ES and everything. So the Nasdaq just tagged the first ATR here. Okay, it was encountered by the linear regression, and the algos started to short. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching.